Hello, good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to study about the active and passive voice. You might have studied this active and passive voice in 9th standard. In Tamil, I will explain. Active voice means செய்வினை. Passive means செயற்பாட்டு வினை. In Tamil grammar, you might have studied. நான் ஒரு புதிய புத்தகம் வாங்கினேன். This is active voice. ஒரு புதிய புத்தகம் என்னால் வாங்கப்பட்டது. It is in passive form. In active voice, we give more importance to subject. In passive form, we give more importance to object. But all depending upon the tense, we have to use the different auxiliary verb. What is called auxiliary? It is a helping verb. Depending upon the tense, for example, present tense, is, or, am, past tense, was, were, present perfect, been, then any modal verb, be form. So according to the tense, we have to use a suitable auxiliary verb, and the verb should be changed into past participle. What is past participle? The third form of the verb. Now let us discuss some examples. The manager appointed many office assistants. Here many office assistants is the object. It is in plural form. Appointed is the past tense. So here the object is in plural form. For past tense we have to use either was or were. So here past tense plural. Many office assistants were appointed by the manager. You are making a cake now. You subject, or making is a verb. A cake is object. Now is adjunct. So here a cake singular. It is a present continuous tense. So for present continuous, we have to use being. A cake is being. Is being. Why I am using is? Because a cake is singular. A cake is being made. Make, made, made. Is made by you now. That portrait was printed by my grandmother. Here it is in passive form because the object is given more importance. The subject is after by my grandmother. So my grandmother painted that portrait. Because was is the past tense, so we identify it is a past tense because the auxiliary verb past tense was. So my grandmother is the subject, painted that portrait. It is an active form. Malini had bought a colorful hat for her daughter. For her daughter is the adjunct. A colorful hat is the object. Had bought, it is a past perfect. We have to add been. A colorful hat had been bought by Malini for her daughter. Had been bought. Had bought change into had been. We have to add been. For has or have and had, we have to add been into change into passive form. They have asked me to pay the fine. Me is the object. Have asked is the present perfect. So I have been asked by them to pay the fine. To pay the fine is the adjunct. Adjunct means it is a modifier. So object is me. The me changes into I. Then I have been. Have changed into have been in passive form. So I have been asked by them to pay the fine. The militants were being taken to prison by the police. It is in passive form. It is in past continuous. So the police were taking, because being is the past continuous. So the police were taking the militants to prison. His behavior vexes me. Me is the object. It is a present tense form. So I am vexed by his behavior. Rosie will solve the problem. The problem is the object. Will solve is the future tense. So the problem will be solved by Rosie. Our army has defeated the enemy. The enemy has been defeated by our army. Because the present perfect we have to add been. The enemy is a singular, so we can use has. So the enemy has been defeated by our army. The salesman answered all the questions patiently. Patiently is the adjunct. All the questions is the object. Answered is the past tense. So all the questions were answered by the salesman patiently. So like this, you understand the rules. I can better do well. Any doubt you can ask. Thank you very much.